Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Aparna Garg from ACS Infotech, your host for today's session. I welcome you all to today's webinar on paperless working for increased efficiency, productivity, and security at dealerships. Before we begin, I would like to give you a brief introduction about us. ACS Infotech Private Limited is 27 years old company in application software development. We have more than 300 customers in India and a large number of organizations across India are using our application. We have implemented our software solutions at about 800 locations with around 11,000 users. Some of our prestigious customers are automobile dealerships of Audi, Maruti, Hyundai, Honda, Toyota, etc., along with Honeywell, Sharp India, Oxford University, Escorts, EM3, DHE Limelight, Eternal Ganges, Maxim, etc., etc. We have around 85 professionals in ACS team, and we have our physical presence in Delhi NCR, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Chandigarh, and Chennai. So ACS is closely associated with automobile dealerships since last 27 years. And we have in-depth understanding of challenges faced by the automobile dealerships in their day-to-day working. We have our in-house software development team, and our software solutions are created so as to lead our customers to increased profitability, higher productivity, and better controls. All our solutions are completely cloud-based applications, which allows our customers to work from anywhere, anytime, which is also a necessity in the current times of uncertainty due to COVID-19 pandemic. In today's webinar, we are sharing about our software solution, Infoman eDMS. It is one of the India's leading dealership management software. I would like to share that Infoman eDMS is a complete ERP solution for auto dealerships, which takes care of inventory and billing of new vehicle, pre-owned vehicle, accessories, inventory of consumable items, and financial accounting module. There are many features in the application based on many challenges faced by the dealerships. In today's webinar, we are sharing only one feature based on one of the challenges faced by the dealerships, and the topic is paperless working for increased efficiency, productivity, and security at the dealerships. We would be discussing today about how to go paperless, why paperless working, and also case studies based on experiences of paperless working of our customers. So let me introduce to the panelists for today's webinar. I would like to introduce Miss Lata. She is an expert in Infoman eDMS application, and she is handling many customers. Welcome, Lata.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, I would like to introduce Mr. Ranjit Das. He's Senior Manager in Infoman eDMS team, and he has a unique profile. He has been part of our software development as well as software implementation and support team. Welcome. So I welcome you both and thank you for joining us today. So Mr. Ranjit, I would like to ask you to share in brief what were the industry challenges we witnessed in the area of managing the documents and papers in various dealerships across India. Over to you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. As you asked about the issues and challenges faced in handling the physical documents in dealerships, I will explain this in detail. So the first challenge is the consumption of physical storage space. The documents collected from the vendors or customers are stored in the files and folders, and it is kept in the almirahs in different places in all outlets. After few years, these documents pile up and it takes a lot of physical storage space. And the second challenge is the cost of storage. The cost involved in the storage of documents are huge, like the cost for equipments such as printers and office consumables like papers, toners, folders, and the cost of photocopy are huge. The next challenge is mishandling of documents. Some of the documents are mishandled and manipulated by the employees, like cost sheets, discount figures, or any commitments are sometimes manipulated by the junior level executives. And the next challenge is misplacing of documents. Some documents gets misplaced, and sometimes important documents are lost in transit from one place to another. Later, it becomes very difficult to collect these documents from the customers. The employees do several follow-ups with the customers to collect these documents. So the risk of missing critical documents are huge. The next challenge is the impact of speed of working. The time taken in physical file movement from one desk to another is huge, and it impacts the speed of working. It is highly manpower dependent. And the next challenge is the challenge in tracking of documents. It becomes very difficult to track the collection of all the mandatory documents from the customers or vendors before completing the transactions. For example, at the time of booking, the documents like PAN card, address proof, Aadhaar card, etc. are mandatory. And in a manual process, sometimes all these documents could not be collected, and some important documents is not collected and it is missed out. For example, in case of corporate discount, the corporate document is mandatory, but sometimes the document is not collected and the corporate discount is given to the customer, which leads to direct loss and it impacts for car profitability. The next challenge is the difficulty in retrieval. Sometimes if the documents are required, old documents are required, it takes a lot of time to locate the files and retrieve the documents. One person checks different almirahs and folders to locate the documents, which takes a lot of time. And the next challenge is security challenge. There is always a challenge to keep the documents in safer place for a longer period of time. And the challenge is to protect the documents from theft, disasters like accidents or fire accidents, water spillovers, dust, termites, and rats are also there. So, Aparna, these are all challenges what we found in the dealerships to handle the physical documents.
Thank you so much. And it was really, it really could, I could really understand that it is a big challenge, faced by most of the organizations. And I would now like to discuss that based on this understanding, ACS has provided the Infoman EDMS application. And I would now request Ms. Lata to please share how we have made it possible to go paperless. How is it done using Infoman EDMS software application? Yeah, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am, for introducing. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar. My name is Lata. The topic of today's webinar on paperless working for productivity and security at dealership. So why are we going paperless? Why paperless working is required in dealership? Why are we moving paperless instead of physical paper working in offices? So here are the facts about doing work with physical papers in offices. According to the research, 80% of the printed documents are not used or refer to any kind of specific work in offices. And 45% of the documents are being thrown away on the same day of printing them. 169 million thrown away every day without reading. Think of 10 seconds about your table that you are working on is containing thousands of paper on your desk. How would you feel? Stuck, right? This is why paperless working is required. The working on Infoman. Infoman in all modules has the feature to upload documents on cloud, encrypted, and user can access instantly anytime from any device user wanted. It is the easiest process to upload documents. There is no need to learn something extra to upload documents. For accessing the information, you can access from your laptop or can be your friends also. User can access their document in office or at the vacation. They don't need to carry documents everywhere they go. The best benefit to go paperless, it gives you free mind space and user don't need to worry every time what if flood will come. In dealership, we have thousands of data in our system and same applies of paper as well. Can you manage every one single or can memorize every which paper in which file and where it is contained, right? This is why Infoman has the concept of paperless working. For example, in new vehicle module, following documents can be defined and it depend on dealer what other document dealer wish to upload in new vehicle entry, and out of them dealer can specify some of the documents mandatory for booking and invoicing and gate pass. And these documents can be PAN card, Aadhaar card, driving license, insurance copy, passport, voter ID, copy of finance due, corporate documents, and address proof. Same applies in pre-owned module also. In pre-owned module, some documents which can be made mandatory while purchasing the old vehicle from seller, and there can be some documents mandatory for customers who are going to buy used car vehicle. For example, RC book, seller document, old insurance copy are required in pre-owned vehicle module. In Infoman, we have a very comprehensive search in each module, so user can retrieve any document based on multiple parameters. Like they can search customer either by putting order number, invoice number, chassis number, engine number, registration number, and phone number of the customer. By entering these parameters, system will fetch data within seconds. System will display all the documents dealer have uploaded against that customer, and they can view or download the document based on the credentials they have. It doesn't matter that user needs to physically available at dealership. We are also having a mobile app where dealer executive can scan the document from customer place and it will be stored in the application. Don't need to ask for hard copy of the document.
Thank you, Lata, for sharing in details. Thank you so much.